Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Ilish Paturi. For making Ilish Paturi, as I am making it in small quantity, we need 2 Ilish fish pieces. Now we take white mustard, black mustard and 2 red chilies. We will add it to the grinder for making a paste of it. We have taken grated coconut. We will now add the grated coconut to the mixture boil so that we can grind it. We have grinded it. Now we will take it out at a bowl. We have taken out the mixture at the bowl. Now we will add 50 gram of curd in it. After taking the curd, we will mix the curd thoroughly so that it does not get lumps in it. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. We will take half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will mix the mixture. Now we will add 3 to 4 green chilies in it. We will add mustard oil in it and mix it thoroughly. After mixing it thoroughly, now we will add the fish pieces in it. We will marinate the fishes. We have to marinate the fishes in such a way that they get dipped in the mixture. We will keep the marinated fish aside for half an hour. Now we will take banana leaves. As I am making 2, so I am taking 2. Now we will heat the banana leaves so that it does not crack out the mixture which we will going to put in it. Heat it very gently so that it does not burn. We have to heat it in low flame. I have heated in low flame. Now we are going to add the marinated fish in it along with the marinated gravy. You can add the red chili which we have added in the mixture for garnishing it. I have taken sufficient amount of mixture. Now I will fold it. I will fold the banana leaves in such a way so that it does not leak out. After folding it in such a way, I have already folded it. Now we will tie it with a thread. We have to try this very thoroughly, otherwise it will burn out and leak all the stuff which we have stuffed in it, and it will burn also. Now we will take a vessel and add mustard oil in it. We will heat it for some time. Now we will put the covered tied fish covered in banana leaf in it. Now after some time we will cover it so that it can cook. After some time we will take out the cover and flip the fish so that it get cooked in both the sides. And then we will cover it again. Now as both the sides are cooked, we will now serve it in a plate. You can look how delicious it is looking. For eating it, we have to uncover the thread which we have tied, and we can eat directly from the banana leaves. You can eat it with hot rice. It looks very delicious and its taste also very delicious with hot rice. We have to uncover it. As you can see, the fish is very much cooked and all the gravy is looking very good. Like this video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, share it with your friends. Thank you. We will back again with a new recipe.